Welcome back to Road Warriors, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts craving the latest automotive marvels. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that redefines luxury and craftsmanship, the 2025 Rolls-Royce La Rose. This isn't just a car, it's an art piece on wheels, a symbol of elegance fused with cutting-edge technology. Buckle up as we explore what makes the La Rose the crown jewel of Rolls-Royce's lineup. The 2025 La Rose embodies Rolls-Royce's signature sophistication, but with a bold twist. Inspired by the delicate beauty of a rose, its design language speaks of fluid curves, sleek lines, and an almost ethereal presence. The bespoke two-tone paint shimmers subtly, changing hues under different lighting, just like petals catching the morning sun. Every detail, from the meticulously sculpted grille to the sleek, flowing silhouette, reflects craftsmanship so refined it blurs the line between engineering and artistry. Even the Spirit of Ecstasy, proudly perched on the hood, has been subtly reimagined to complement the La Rose's elegant aesthetic. Step inside the La Rose, and you're transported to a realm of unparalleled opulence. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior, adorned with the finest hand-stitched leather, rare wood veneers, and custom embroidery inspired by delicate rose motifs. The ambient lighting system is designed to mimic the soft glow of dawn, creating a serene atmosphere that soothes every passenger. The signature Starlight headliner has been upgraded with constellations subtly shaped like blooming roses, a small detail that showcases Rolls-Royce's dedication to perfection. Every surface, every stitch, every material speaks of bespoke craftsmanship tailored to the owner's desires. Don't be fooled by its graceful appearance, the La Rose packs a punch under the hood. Powered by a refined V12 engine, it delivers seamless acceleration with near-silent precision. Rolls-Royce's advanced suspension system ensures the ride feels like gliding on air, effortlessly absorbing every bump and curve. It's not about aggressive speed, it's about commanding the road with grace and authority, making every drive feel like a royal procession. Whether cruising through city streets or stretching its legs on open highways, the La Rose offers an experience that's both powerful and profoundly smooth. What truly sets the 2025 La Rose apart is its bespoke nature. Each unit is crafted to the owner's exact specifications, from personalized color palettes to custom interior details. Rolls-Royce doesn't just sell cars, they create rolling works of art tailored to individual tastes. No two La Rose models are alike, each one is a unique masterpiece, reflecting the personality and vision of its owner. Owning a La Rose isn't just about having a luxury vehicle, it's about possessing something truly one of a kind, a car that tells a personal story with every detail. The 2025 Rolls-Royce La Rose isn't just a car, it's a statement, a celebration of elegance, innovation, and timeless design. It's where tradition meets the future, crafted for those who demand nothing but the extraordinary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most luxurious cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content right here on Road Warriors. Until next time, keep chasing the road less ordinary.